potential sneeze that goes away. And then right as your nostrils are about to explode in that orgasmic bliss, bloop, one piece of breeze just come and knock out the sneeze out of your nose, gone dead just so. Number 2, people with grammatical errors. And everybody they get access to good school and everybody can read and write. I get it. Of all the mistakes, the one where really piss me off right about now is when people do not know the difference between bored and boring. Some people be like, the show boredie. This is my face afterwards. Number 3, people joining in while I'm singing. I hate when I blurt out a line and then Jack Paul, Tina Turner, everybody just run come in and think this is one big high school musical. No, this is my song. Like, don't be jumping in while they hear me singing. If I want to sing the song until they hear my verse or the first line.
Where there is desire, there is gonna be a flame. Where there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned. And just because it burns, that don't mean you're gonna die. This look like Destiny style too, no? Are you Kelly and Michelle? Did I ask for a backup singer? When you see all together sing auditions, I keep right yourself.
Number 4, telling a joke and your friend don't laugh.
But say one part of the show where like the girl go after the brother end up for the police officer, and when she go after him, so she dropping her one hole. Oh god, it's funny. You don't think it's funny?
Do not tell your friends about this funny show or anything you see on TV if them never see it before or have no idea what it is about, because all them are just there I do, I listen and oh, is it? Oh, really? And then they could dry laugh. Number 5, nothing piss me off more than when me leave food in the fridge and gone about my business and come back home expecting that it should be there, and when I open up the fridge, it gone.
Yes, I am. Me gonna mash up that zinger here, ya know. Wait till my burger there.
Box me across my face, step on my shoes, mash up my laptop, do them something there. But test my food and I will hate you. Number 6, when you and somebody talk on Facebook or whatever messaging device or service on the depot, and then you and them talk at the same time, and it's like you know they were about to say something and them stop so them can allow you to talk. And in your head you wonder what the hell could they have been saying? Why am I there for go press something to make them say me a type and then them go take back what them say? Suppose it was something important. Number 7, you ever in your bed yet well snuggle up, it feel like you're in a one fairy tale, everything just nice and cool, the fan blow against your skin, and then right as you're in your comfort zone, you only hear your mother.
Shani, come tackle the panty them off of the line for me, please.
You tell me now. Number 8, when rain fall, right as you hang out your clothes. Cause me coulda dead here now, I see the sun shine, and right as me get up and me done wash out the clothes them, hard labor, put the clothes them in the washing machine. Do all of them things there and pin up the clothes them on the line, backside out of nowhere rain come. You have to run go there and take down the clothes them off of the line and then carry go pin up all over in your yard, on the washing machine, on the bed, on the asap, on everything inside there. Number 9, when somebody say them gonna tell you something and then say, no worry, me change my mind.
Barry, you remember the girl from down at Rollington Town? Oh yeah, remember the girl there, man. What you say? Me hear something about her, they want to tell me, I gotta tell you. You know what, no worry, I change my mind. Really though? Really?
Number 10, when you broke your neck for answer a call, only to find out that it is a wrong number.
Oh God, I'm alive.
Number 11, people who don't acknowledge time, who don't know when it is to be on time. You know, everybody, we all have that one friend. If the function is starting at 8 o'clock, you have to tell them say it's gonna start 5 o'clock so them can reach there like 5 minutes late.
Don't go chasing waterfall. Please stick to the livers and the looks that you used to. I know that you're gonna have your way, but I think you're moving too fast.
Yeah man, Crystal, I'm so reach. I'm 5 minutes away from half a tree, man. Alright. No man, at the bus at Echo.
Number 12, you ever there yard yet and you get instructed to go wash up the few little plate them in the sink will turn out to be one entire dumper truck at every single thing in your house. And the minute you start to wash, everybody dig up all kind of pot and pan with it underneath them bed from 3 months ago and choose to fling it in the sink while you wash.
Trying to get this rich, Chabi, working for this shit. Make sure.
Shani, watch that.
I get this work. So that is it, peeps. Thanks so much for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Big up to everybody on the Dirty Berry show Facebook fan page, all of the people them on Twitter, all of my friends them, Excelsior massive, Meadowbrook massive, enough love and much more support. Live good, love God, all of them things there. Oh.